Oh, alright. First, cutting grass. Guys, I'm not gonna go too deep into this, but you will need a lawnmower to cut grass, and you will need gasoline, and you will need some clients. My clients are next door over there, and my grandpa. So yeah, that's it. What you will need when freaking cutting grass. Alright guys, so the second way to make money is through KoolAid Cups. So what you will need with KoolAid Cups is you'll need cups, plastic cups. I know these aren't plastic cups, these are bath cups, but like yeah, you're gonna need some plastic cups to sell KoolAid. And plus, you're gonna need KoolAid. Now I know this is so wide and punch, but I don't have any KoolAid for this bootleg video. So yeah guys, so you can sell you can put KoolAid in here, and you just put KoolAid in here, mix it up with sugar, which I'm gonna come in here. Right here, and boom. Yep, I promise you this is not cocaine, but yeah, this sugar right here, you can just mix it up with Kool-Aid and stuff, and yeah, you'll be good. Alright guys, so when you're selling KoolAid cups, you will need something to keep the KoolAid cups cold and like hard, so like when you sell it to people. So the thing you would need is a mini fridge, guys. You're gonna need a mini fridge, and you're gonna keep it in here like overnight and just let it freeze, and it looks like ice cubes or something. Like ice cubes in the refrigerator, and it's gonna freeze up like the Kool-Aid that you mix up together. It's just basically Kool-Aid frozen. That's what KoolAid cups are. And you can just get a popsicle sticks too and just stick it inside the Kool-Aid or whatever. I don't know. Like, shoot, I don't know how it's gonna sit there overnight without sinking or something. But yeah, you can just do that. Or if you want to go bigger, come follow me. You can just step through here. You can use this is a deep freezer, yeah. You can use a deep freezer if you want to go bigger. It has snow inside of it and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so the next way to make money is for you girls out there or guys. You can do makeup for people to make money and stuff like that. So yeah, she's gonna put on makeup for me. I really regret doing this, but I'll do anything for you. So let's go. Alright. Okay. So. Colors, I'll give you a tour of my little film area. There's a trash can, there's a door now, that's the refrigerator, and that's it. Alright guys, so the next thing is starting a YouTube channel. Now you will need a camera. Here's a nice camera. Canon camera right here, a tripod or something. You don't actually need a camera like me right now. I'm recording with my iPhone 7 Plus. This is good right here. If you have a high-end iPhone, I would say like an iPhone 5 or 6 and up, then you can start a YouTube channel recording with that. But if you want to go bigger, you can get a big old DSLR. I only recommend DSLR cameras. I don't recommend other cameras unless you're blogging. So yeah guys, you can start a YouTube channel next. I'll give a little more like tips right now. Alright guys, for YouTube, starting a YouTube channel, like you gotta really be into it. Like you can't just do it for views and subscribers. You really gotta like doing YouTube and like have fun with it and just grow, like have fun while you're growing and stuff. Cause if you don't have fun while you're growing, you're just gonna give up and you're not gonna want to do it and stuff, guys. So yeah.